This is the Cast Violon, manufactured by Hanayama, designed by Nob Yoshigahara. This is a level 2 on the Hanayama difficulty rating scale, and a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10. I actually really like the design of this puzzle here. It's made up of cast metal with a antique brass finish. So it looks like this puzzle is made up of 3 pieces. We've got this violin shaped piece here with a little notch cut out of the top of it, just big enough to fit this rectangular piece through. This rectangular piece with a opening on the one end and a bar on the other. The third piece to this puzzle is this rectangular piece. Looks like each of the inside edges is shaved down a little bit. We've got the violon engraving on one side, which is actually French for violin, and the Hanayama engraving on the other. So your objective with this puzzle is to figure out how to disassemble these 3 pieces and then put them back together. If this is a design or a puzzle that you like, you can head over to our website, puzzlemaster.ca, search by designer, in this case Nob Yoshigahara, to find out what other puzzles he's designed. Again, this is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10.